In this villa renovation and addition, the lean-to form that had traditionally been used as service spaces at the back was recast as living space, opening the house up to the north-facing backyard. The architects have skillfully converted a home that was poorly connected to its environment into an attractive and functioning home for a professional couple with 2 young children, allowing for home, work options, as well as providing an oasis and retreat for the family. Congratulations to Strachan Group Architects, winner of the TIDA New Zealand Architect Designed Renovation of the Year.
Congratulations to Strachan Group Architects, winner of TIDA New Zealand Architect Designed Renovation of the Year.
Thanks to TIDA for recognising what is really a relatively modest project. Breathing life into our rather tired existing housing stock is really an important part of the conversation around sustainability, so it's particularly gratifying to have a project like this acknowledged. The idea for Lean On Me, apart from being a great song, was really about reimagining the traditional lean-to for 21st century living, and how those, how that modern form and the traditional gabled villa might talk to each other or lean on each other. So that's where the idea came from. As with all these projects, there are a lot of people involved. I'd really like to thank the team here at SGA, and in particular Travis Reynolds, who was the kind of project architect for this job. The builders, Jeff Higgins at Heartwood Builders and his team, Phil Horner at Philby Design and his team who made all the cabinetry. Zoe from Xanthi White Design is responsible for the landscaping, and they've done an amazing job. And of course the clients who have just been amazing, Gareth and the awesome Kari, who project managed the whole thing and drove it along. So thank you very much to all of them and to TIDA.